back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You're responsible for your own trades. Always do your own research and trade at your own risk. All right, guys, let's hop into the chart. It's currently Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. The daily candle closes in about 1 hour. We start off here with the weekly. Remember, we just closed a bullish candle again on the weekly on Sunday. We have 7 green candles in a row. Right now, we're looking indecisive, but we still have a couple of days to go before this weekly candle closes. The stochastics right now are starting to get to the top, but we don't know if we're going to roll over or if we're going to continue dragging up here for a little while. We head over to the 2-day chart. I was showing you this, guys, the other day that the stochastics are pointing to the way down. On the 2-day, we are kind of far from the 21-day moving average, which is currently at 99,905. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is 109,000, let's call it. And this candle closes in about a day. Right now, we're indecisive red, so we have to see what's going to end up happening here. But with the stochastics looking to fall, I wouldn't be surprised if we fell down a couple of thousands of dollars. We head over to the daily chart. The stochastics are already on the way down. It looks like we kind of want to bowl up here a little bit, but this could still continue to drag here for a couple of days. What's bullish is that we have the golden cross here, where the 50-day moving average passes the 200-day moving average, and we're not too far away from the 21-day moving average, which is at 105,514. So if we do get some type of a drop, I kind of expect this to be held up here by this 21-day moving average as support. Currently in an hour, this candle will close. Right now it's indecisive red. Sometimes after the candle close, we get a big pump. Let's see if today is going to be one of those days. We see the 22-hour chart. We can see that the stochastics were on the way up, but they look to roll over here. So since they look to roll over here, that could definitely affect the daily stochastics, and that's why I'm saying maybe we could continue dragging low here for a little bit. If we head over to the 8-hour chart, the stochastics also look to roll over. We're below the 21-day moving average. This is a red engulfing candle, so this is not looking too good to me. On the 4-hour chart, stochastics also look to come down. We just went below the 21-day moving average, but now we're kind of trying to hold it here. One thing I'm not liking here is this M pattern. We have this M pattern. This is probably going to bring us all the way back down to like 106,000. Remember, I have this in a falling wedge that we broke out of, but we've been going sideways here. Also, I have this in a cup and handle, and currently we broke out of the handle. If this ends up being a double top M pattern, we'll probably break back into this handle here. This cup and handle should break us out to 113,500, and this falling wedge breaks us out to about 117,000. So those are the next moves that I'm looking for Bitcoin. On the 1 hour here, this is kind of a weird pattern that's happening, but we lost the 21-day moving average, and we're fighting to stay above the 200-day moving average at the moment right now. So overall, I'm still waiting for these patterns on the 4-hour to break out, both the cup and handle and the falling wedge. Till then, I just see us going sideways, and if we do fall, I definitely expect us to have some type of support between $103,000 and $105,000. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, and subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.